Hi guys. I have some problems with getting up on ladders and a little bit of shakiness when I'm walking sometimes, so I'm a little reluctant to sometimes go up on my roof. But I still need to do maintenance on it and make sure that there's no glaring issues as far as where it could leak, etc. So one of the tools that I use is a drone. So I take my drone and I fly it up above the motorhome and I check all the different seals for obvious things like, cuts and holes and bubbles and so on. And now you can see one of the things that I've done on my RV, my motorhome, is I've used Eternabond tape for a lot of different areas. One of the things that I did when I first bought this motorhome is it had a little bit of bubbling on the rubber roof on the corners on the two sides. So I used it there and I ran it from the top of the roof all the way over the drip edge. So I knew that I wouldn't have any issues with water dripping down in that crack between the drip edge and the rubber roof. And the other thing that I've done around all of my different protrusions in the roof, the vents and the air conditioner and the old antenna, etc., I've also used Eternabond. And I've used it on the front transition from the roof to the pylon, or phylon, I guess you call it, on the front of the RV. And I just find that I've been using Eternabond tape for probably 15 years. And my last RV, I had it on there for 8 years and it still was stuck down there like the day I put it on there. And the one thing that I do is I run Dicor self-leveling around most of the edges as well. Now you can also see right there those two little brackets with the screws popping up. That's where I mount my Starlink satellite dish. And then around all my solar panels, I've also used Eternabond over top of the brackets and some Dicor self-leveling there as well. So if you're like me and you have a little bit of issue sometimes getting up on a roof, or even your roof isn't one that you're supposed to walk on, a drone is a fairly inexpensive way to be able to get up there and take a look and see what's going on. For me, anyway. I think I paid like $450 for it, but I used the drone for a lot more than just doing stuff like this. We also use it for taking panoramic shots when we're traveling and all those types of things. And it really comes in handy. The other thing that I use it for that isn't RV related is I use it to check the gutters on my house to see if there's any leaves in them. And simple things like that, check the roof on my house, whatever the case may be. So having a drone can surely be a plus when you're checking on stuff around the RV or your home. For watching, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. It helps my channel, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.